How are you feeling?
I felt better.
I'm sure you have.
Yeah.
Are you relatively comfortable?
Yeah.
Are you all drugged up?
Not too much.
Okay.
I had quite a lot yesterday, and today I've been quite sick, so
Good, yeah.
I'm just ready to. It's my birthday as well, so it's the worst I've ever had in my life so far.
Well, welcome to South Africa.
Thanks. I'm sure I only left here about 4 days ago.
When did you leave Cape Town?
Are you probably going to want to go off with yeah. Okay. Give us some more line.
Okay, this way.
Okay, I'm going to grab you by your
Over
life
here.
jacket. Okay.
Okay. There you go. Baggage.
Luggage.
Baggage.
Welcome.
Welcome to Port Elizabeth. On your birthday in horrible circumstances.
Yeah, what a great way to spend your birthday.
Let's go for it.
Alright, take care, have.
Speedy recovery.
Yeah, just top here somewhere. I flew from the high side to the low side.
Dat hoort aan de dealer.
We just give